Imagine holding a key that unlocks a door closed for 40,000 years. Scientists have found a way to listen to the whispers of our ancient cousins, the Neanderthals. For years we saw them as primitive, but a groundbreaking discovery changed everything. Researchers managed to read the genetic story of one of the last Neanderthals. This journey began with tiny bone fragments and the DNA hidden within. Ancient DNA is fragile, but new technology let scientists piece together these genetic clues. They reconstructed the genome of a Neanderthal woman, one of the last of her kind. Her DNA connects us directly to a lost branch of humanity, showing we're not so different after all. Sequencing this ancient DNA is more than science. It's a connection across time. It challenges what it means to be human and blurs the line between us and them. The story of the Neanderthals is now part of our own. Who were the Neanderthals? Not brutish cavemen, but adaptable, intelligent humans. They lived from Europe to Central Asia, surviving for hundreds of thousands of years. Stocky and strong, with large brains, they were skilled hunters and toolmakers. Our story centers on the Revilla woman, discovered in Spain's El Cidrón cave. She lived 43,000 years ago, near the end of the Neanderthals era. The cave held remains of a close-knit family group, possibly lost in a sudden tragedy. By studying her bones and DNA, we glimpse her world, one of deep forests, cold winds, and family bonds. The Revilla woman was an individual, a daughter, maybe a mother, living a complex life. She knew her land, gathered food, and faced daily challenges. Her DNA gives us a personal window into a vanished world. Thinking of her reminds us Neanderthals were not faceless. They had stories. Their legacy is not just bones, but a living connection. Through her, the lost world of the Neanderthals comes alive. Recovering the Revilla woman's DNA was a microscopic detective story. After 43,000 years, only fragments remained. Most DNA belonged to bacteria, not Neanderthals. Scientists worked in ultra-clean labs, drilling into the femur to extract precious bone powder. They used chemical baits to fish out Neanderthal DNA from the contamination. This painstaking process isolated the ancient genetic material. Powerful computers then read and assembled the genetic code, comparing it to modern humans. Piece by piece, the Revilla woman's genome was reconstructed. Years of work revealed her entire genetic story. This achievement let scientists read the secrets of her life and her people. The process was slow, but the reward was immense. Her DNA became a bridge to the distant past. Each fragment brought us closer to understanding who the Neanderthals truly were. The puzzle was complete. A voice from prehistory, finally heard. The Revilla woman's genome has rewritten our family tree. For years, we thought modern humans simply replaced Neanderthals, but DNA shows we met, mingled, and had children together. Today, nearly everyone outside Africa carries 1 to 2% Neanderthal DNA. This means Neanderthals didn't vanish. They live on in us. The line between our species is blurred. They are part of our heritage. The Revilla woman's DNA revealed little diversity, showing her group was small and isolated. Inbreeding and isolation made Neanderthals vulnerable, contributing to their decline. Our ancestors didn't just compete, they interacted, mixed, and shared lives. The Neanderthals' disappearance was gradual, shaped by climate, competition, and genetics. Their story is now a vital chapter in our own. We are not the sole survivors, but part of a much richer human story. The past is more complex and more connected than we ever imagined. The Neanderthal legacy lives on in our DNA. Their genes influence our immune systems and may have helped our ancestors survive new diseases. Neanderthals were more sophisticated than we thought, creating art, jewelry, and using pigments. They expressed themselves, had culture, and likely communicated in complex ways. Their voices may have sounded different, but they shared knowledge and built social bonds. The Revilla woman's story reminds us we are products of a long, tangled journey. Our DNA is a mosaic of ancient encounters. Understanding our Neanderthal connection enriches our story, not diminishes it. We are one branch of a diverse family tree. The echoes of Neanderthals are within us, making our past more wondrous than we imagined. Their story is, in many ways, our own.